If you wonder if Redmi Note 14S does have dual SIM slot, let me quickly show you. As we take a look at the left side of our phone, right here we can find the SIM tray, and let's quickly open this one up, and I will be able to show you if this phone does have dual SIM slot or if it doesn't. Alright, and as we take a look at these slots right here, you can find the first SIM slot, which is available right here, and the second SIM slot is actually right here. It is like positioned similarly like this one right here. You can see it visibly. It is available here, but it also shares the same space as the SD card. So this means that you can have two SIM cards, or you can have one SIM card and SD card, but you can't have like all of them. So yeah, you can see that there's the cutout for the SD card, and right here is the cutout for the SIM card. So this means that this phone does indeed have dual SIM slot.